Come on kids, let's sing and play. Learn our letters the fun way today. Clap your hands and sing along. It's time for our phonics song. A for apple, A for ant, red and tiny, both so smart. B for ball, B for bat, bouncing high, imagine that. C for cat, C for cup, meow and sip, the fun won't stop. D for dog, D for dish, wags his tail and eats his wish. E for egg, E for elephant, round and big, elegant. F for frog, F for fish, jump and splash, whoosh, swish. G for goat, G for grass, munch, munch, munch as they pass. H for hat, H for hand, wave hello across the land. I for ink, I for insect, buzzing lines, perfect effect. J for juice, J for jar, sweet and fruity, best by far. K for king, K for kite, fly it high, what a sight. L for lamb, L for leaf, chewing softly, no belief. M for man, M for monkey, funny faces, oh so funky. N for neck, N for necklace, shiny beads, looking precious. O for ocean, O for oar, row, 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 explore the shore. P for plum, P for parrot, colorful wings, love to share it. Q for queen, Q for quill, writing stories, what a skill. R for rat, R for rope, playing games full of hope. S for sun, S for sunflower, bright and shining every hour. T for tap, T for tub, splash, 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 rub-a-dub. U for uncle, U for umbrella, rainy days feel so bella. V for van, V for village, vroom vroom sound, full of knowledge. W for well, W for water, drip drop cool like laughter. X for x-ray, X for x-tree, look inside, gifts for me. Y for yacht, Y for yak, sailing waves and carrying pack. Z for zoo, Z for zebra, striped and happy. See ya! We sang our letters A to Z, learning's fun, come sing with me. Smile and dance, clap your hands, phonics magic never ends.
A for apple, means apple shiny and red, floating up high right over my head. B for ball, B means ball, it bounces around, rolling and spinning all over the ground. C for cat, where C means cat, it purrs and plays, chasing its tail in funny ways.